Well, good morning, everybody. Today we're going to look at the steering dampener or damper on the 72 Mercedes Benz 280 SE 4.5. I've got a replacement Bilstein, and we're going to be taking this off. I'm going to try to do a little testing on it, and then I guess regardless of the findings, I'm going to go ahead and put the new one in that I found. So let's get to busy on this. First thing I'm going to do is undo this 17mm bolt here, and this one here, the nut at the end. There's a bolt at the head at the top, and then same thing over here. It's in there. So, but this is a really tight fit, and my 17mm open wrench won't fit in there. So let's hope that that doesn't turn. I've already tested it. It's on there really tight, so I'm going to have to use an extension on my ratchet. There it comes. All right. Got that off. These got loose. Let's just see. Okay, the top's not turned, so it must be it's not a nut, it's a bolt. I mean, it's a nut. Oh, it's turning at the top, but I can hold it with my hand. I can see if I can get this with my hands. Yeah, I can. Okay. Oh, that's going to push on through. Excellent. I'll just put this here so I don't lose it. I might as well go ahead and clean this bolt up, I think. Okay, here are they. They are cleaned up, ready to go in. This was the back one, and this was the front one. In terms of this one being closer to the wheel and this one being closer to the center of the car. So let's go pull that one. Let's go pull the damper out, or dampener. Let's call it a damper or a dampener. I'll call it a dampener. We'll pull the dampener out. Pry that. All right. That just came out. Let's see about the other side. Yeah, that's going to come out too. I'll just have to kind of give it a little persuasion, and then we'll get that out. Here's the one I just pulled out. It's a Bogue, B-O-G-E, made in Brazil. And this over here is what I'm getting ready to put in. It's a Bilstein, made in Germany. I can't really detect any difference in them in terms of compression. I tried to do some, some real jerky sort of movements on it to see if I could tell any difference, but I really couldn't. But I'm going ahead and put this Bilstein in and just set this Bogue aside here. This Bogue, even though it's made in Brazil, I wonder if this is original. It probably is. It's pretty greasy, and the rubber in here looks all right. But it does have some scraping marks right here. You can see it's going in and out of that sleeve. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this Bilstein in, so it's German all the way through. Although I've heard that Bogue is original, and maybe it was made. And obviously it's made in Brazil. So we'll just go ahead and put this one in. Put the Bilstein in, I mean. All right. So here's the outside, installed and tightened right here, and then when I'm going to go over and just put this in, let's go across here, grab a hold of this, and I think we can pull it in place. Yep. And then we'll just put that bolt back up in there, and she will be done. New steering damper is in place. No front end realignment is needed, just for this simple repair, and so we'll see. Okay, well, thanks for watching Ken's Show and Tell.